Welcome to you in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you will set the notification sound. Click here. Now we got selected this one. We can change it by just this way. So just select one from this available notification sounds. And after that just go back, and here you'll see the changes that would successfully change our notification sound here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.